Airtech are based in Blackburn, Lancashire, and process a range of materials to use in the automotive industry. In a word, reliability, Airtech pride themselves on delivering orders on time. But this particular machine suffered lots of failure, resulting in costly downtime and missing deliveries to an important export customer in Mexico. Airtech needed a reliable solution, so they brought in Jason Fairfield from A&G Design to sort it out. It doesn't make sense to install totally new machines, but simply replace the old servo with a like-for-like system was also going to be more expensive. Jason identified a smart, more cost-effective approach by retrofitting two Mitsubishi Electric EMA motors, to one for the unwinding motor and another to drive the cutting blades. The solution worked more because the EMA permanent magnet motor includes position control without an additional encoder, reducing cost and complexity. You literally connect 3 wires to the machine and you're done. It's a full Mitsubishi solution. Position and speed control are managed by the E800 inverter, which can operate in PM mode for the EMA motor. Operators input the production requirements into the GOT HMI, which interfaces with the FX5 PLC and the inverter drive. Since installation, there has been no downtime at all, and Airtech easily meet their weekly shipments to Mexico, keeping their customer happy and making life a lot more stress-free. It's so reliable that one operator can run 2 machines at once. They don't need to constantly watch this machine anymore. They just set it and leave it to complete the production run. So it's more efficient too. This was A&G Design's first project with EMA motor, so they had few questions as you would expect. Alongside with Mitsubishi Electric engineers, we were hands-on to visit site and help Jason to make the necessary adjustments and get the project running. The project has been so successful that Jason is already planning to use Mitsubishi EMA motors on the next 2 projects.